Channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Sunday, January 30th, and it's almost 11:30, and I'm about to have my breakfast. What I'm having for breakfast? Cereal. I'm having some Cheerios. Milk. Do you like to have your cereal with cold milk or hot? I like to have mine with hot milk, but Shomo prefers cold. So let's start this vlog here. So hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay. Well, I'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Somo is making tea. What cup? Use and throw cup khabo. Keno? So, Kian is having lunch. Ta-da! And I'm gonna put away this cereal into the container. So, yeah. This is a pretty old one and this got bad. I mean, it's not as crispy as a fresh one. If you know, you know. There is still some leftover which I'm going to like clip it and keep it in the box as it is. চামচ খেতে বলিনি চামচ খেতে বলিনি তো don't do this. Okay, now eat koro, eat your lunch. Eat koro. So for today's lunch, like our lunch, I don't need to cook because we have some leftover. Yesterday I make some fish curry, so we have that. Then we have some chana, egg curry, like fish curry and egg curry. The amount leftover we have, like only one person could have it. So maybe fish curry Shomo's gonna have and egg curry I'll gonna have. And there's some chana dal. I'm thinking of making some spinach pakoda. The other day I made it and it was like super yummy. If I'm going to make it, I'm definitely gonna share the recipe with you guys. So yeah, I'm just making the rice now. Then I'll decide I'm gonna make the spinach pakoda or not. If yes, I'm going to share the recipe.
Good job. ঢোকা Good job. লক করে দাও
So I'm making the spinach pakoda. So let's share the recipe with you guys. Shall we? I have taken baby spinach. I have already washed it. So to add here a little bit of chopped onion and little bit of ginger garlic paste, and then I'll add salt to taste and chili flakes. You can add a black pepper or green chili paste. I prefer this one. So that's why I added chili flakes. Then I'll add besan, that is gram flour, and for the crispiness, I'll add little bit of rice flour into it, and then I'll give it a good mix. And yes, I have washed my hand before doing this. So Hello. So it's around 4:30 in the evening. Kian just woke up from his nap and we are going out. We're going to some stores or something. So I packed some snack for him, and when we'll be back, I'm going to give him his dinner. That's the plan. So yeah. We are home. Sorry, we went to Burlington. Like, it's a store where you can get clothing item, home decor. Oh yeah, and now I'm going to serve, like, give dinner to Kian, and I need to think what we are going to have for dinner. And I literally started the laundry, like Kian's laundry, because Kian didn't have any like washed pajamas left for tonight. I totally forgot to do his laundry this morning, so I started it now. So yeah, let's give him Kian dinner and think about what we're going to have.